how to export Gemini responses to Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your Gemini responses directly into Google Docs. Super useful for assignments, reports, notes, or anything you want to save neatly. So let's get started. You can go to gemini.google.com in your Google browser or head over to your Gemini app. Now, you can ask Gemini anything. You can ask to write an email, summarize notes, make notes, or generate a report. I want Gemini to generate a report on nature and its resources. So I will ask it to make it 3 pages because I don't want a long report, and then hit send. Now you can see that Gemini gives me a report in nature in just few seconds. Now you can tweak and make changes according to your wish. And then now scroll down, check every answer that Gemini has given you. And if you are satisfied with it, then you can export it to your Google Docs. For that, you'll need to go to the end of the answer, and then you will see a share icon, that is the upward arrow icon. You just have to tap on it, and you can see it is creating public link. To swipe to the left after various icons appear, and then go to more and search for drive. So save it to your drive first. So you can name it, hit upload on the top right. Now come back, go to your Google Docs, and then go to the file option on the top right corner. There you can see my drive, tap on it, and then search for the title. And there you go. Now the report is in your Google Docs. You just have to tap on the tick icon on the top left, and then it has been saved to your Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.